Since earning a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering in 2006 on a 4-year Army ROTC scholarship, United States Army Captain Joel Groves has boldly represented his country in tours of Afghanistan and Iraq.
I'm part of what they call the 9/11 class. My senior year of high school was the year that the Twin Towers fell, and so I knew pretty much watching that happen in my AP Physics classroom that one, my father, who's a retired colonel in the Marine Corps, would be deploying to Afghanistan. But I knew also for myself, with a decision early on in life that I wanted to serve my country, I knew that I would one day be probably entering a combat situation. And so I wanted to go to a university that would prepare me academically and challenge me academically, but also attend a school that had an excellent ROTC department.
Engineers do a lot of stuff in the Army, particularly combat engineers, and Joel has had, even in his short amount of time, has had a particular outstanding career.
Groves attended U.S. Army Ranger School, the Army's premier leadership training course. In 2008, he won the Best Sapper Competition and deployed to Iraq to lead a Route Clearance Platoon. His team proved to be the best in Iraq, finding more improvised explosive devices than any other unit in 2009.
Ranger School basically means I will never quit. If you see somebody with a Ranger tab, they have gone through the absolute worst conditions imaginable. They've been given impossible missions on purpose to see if they will fail or succeed.
Upon returning from Iraq, Groves was selected to join the 75th Ranger Regiment in Special Operations Command, where he served as the Director of Facilities and Construction. The following year, Groves deployed to Afghanistan and served as second-in-command of a Joint Special Operations Task Force.
The education that I received in the engineering school stood out over and over. It made me more successful in my basic officer leadership course, more successful in my engineering officer course. I graduated the top 10% of both of those courses just because I had a foundation of knowledge and knowing how to approach training, knowing how to approach education environment, and a strong foundation from Washington University.
Joel did something interesting. Joel joined two distinct professions: the profession of arms, an Army officer, and an engineering, the profession of engineering. And he's been able to excel in both of those at the same time. He is a well-accomplished Army officer who has led soldiers in the most difficult of situations. So a guy like Joel is a great example of what Washington University can produce in conjunction with the ROTC program.